Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are making potama. This is one of our favorite things to eat whenever we go to Okinawa. Oh my gosh, I love potama. You know
Yes.
that every time we go, I have to eat it at least twice.
For breakfast, we always go to potama shop.
We do, and sometimes I have it for dinner, and
Oh,
sometimes
really?
I have it for lunch, I have it as
Oh.
a snack. And there's so many varieties, but today we're going to show you guys how to make the basic potama with a little bit of variation. If you've watched our Okinawan videos, you know we go to a place called
Potama.
potama,
Potama.
right? And it stands for pork tamago omusubi or onigiri. And it's like, I guess you can think of it like an Okinawan style onigiri. It's super portable, but it's just so good. So
Yes, let's
make
start.
it.
So, potama is a pork tamago, pork egg omusubi. It's kind of like sandwich. They're using spam or luncheon meat and with egg. Today I'm gonna be making three types. One is standard one, just egg and spam. The second one is nikumiso. It's a Okinawa style nikumiso. It's a stir-fried pork, miso, and sugar. The last one is using plum. First, I'm gonna be making the plum paste. For one onigiri, the one plum is enough, but today I'm using two because mine is very small. First, remove the seed. Yep, like this. Remove the seeds. Then, chop like this and make it like paste.
We like to add this to somen noodles.
Soba noodle,
It's
yes.
so good in the summer.
And also using as condiment for mackerel and onion.
Oh yeah, that's really good too.
Okay, it become paste. So next I'm gonna be making nikumiso Andansu in Okinawa. The original recipe of nikumiso, they use block type of pork belly. They simmer the pork belly block about 30 or 40 minutes in hot water and reduce the fat and cut it, chop it. But it's time consuming. So instead, I am using this ground pork meat. Put this pork meat in the frying pan and stir fry. I don't use oil today because the fat comes out from this pork meat.
And in Okinawa, you can actually buy this nikumiso at the supermarket.
Yep.
But we thought we make it because I think it might be difficult to find it at your local supermarket. Even here in Tokyo, it's hard to find. You have to go to like an Okinawan specialty store.
Yeah. In Tokyo, we have nikumiso, but it's different. Another type of nikumiso.
They use it for like onigiri, I guess like maybe on top of tofu. But I usually see it on top of onigiri or, on top of the potama. That's how I usually see it.
It's normal pink. And
Okay.
at this timing, turn off the heat once. I want to remove the excess oil. The oily thing is not good.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yep. So just using a paper towel like this.
Here, I put 3 tablespoons of sugar. This time I'm using kokuto black sugar,
So brown sugar.
brown sugar, and this is miso, 3 tablespoons of miso. Yeah, Okinawa miso must be the best, but we don't have, so this is regular miso. And this is 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, minced ginger, and mix with this pork meat
Okay. So we're stir frying this on like a medium heat.
on medium heat.
Okay. And you just stir fry it?
Combine, but to combine miso perfectly it's a bit difficult, but don't worry. I will add liquid here. First I want to stir fry and
Yeah, just cook the ginger a little bit.
yes.
Oh, it smells amazing actually. Oh my goodness, I am getting hungry now.
Okay, it's combined and the ginger aroma comes. So here, reduce the heat a little bit to low. Pour 3 tablespoons of sake.
Sake?
Sake, yes.
Oh.
In Okinawa, they use awamori, the Okinawan liquor, It's a distilled liquor of rice.
But that's another thing that's difficult to find outside of Okinawa.
True,
So
true.
I think sake works well though.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And it has a sweetness.
Yes.
So Okinawan,
Oh, it smells
this
good.
nikumiso is a sweet miso. So the Japanese sake is good too.
Yeah, and then once you make a batch of it like this, you can keep it in the refrigerator for a while and then use it as a condiment.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. And it smells incredible.
So set aside.
Okay, we're gonna cool this down. It's too hot right now. So.
Yep.
Oh my god. I want to just pour this over hot rice.
So next ingredients is egg. It's pork egg omusubi. So egg is important. I'll be making omelette. For one potama, you need half of egg. So one egg for two potama. Today I'm making 3, so I'm cracking 2. And here dash salt, little bit, and mix.
And then just mix the egg until it's nice and smooth.
Yeah. Cut this white part in the frying pan. Pour oil a little bit, not too much.
And the frying pan is hot.
Smear this oil all around this frying pan. And check the temperature. Put a little bit of egg mixture on your chopsticks and do like this. Did you hear the sound? This sha, sha sound.
Then you know it's ready.
Yes, it's ready. Put this egg inside.
And then immediately stir it up like this before it solidifies.
To make it fluffy. So, and reduce the heat to medium low. And wait until the edge part can be released easily like this.
Okay, I can see it drawing out the edges. So this is the perfect timing, right?
Yep,
To
yep.
release it from the edge.
And I want to make this egg omelette rectangle style. It's a little difficult because it is round. Then cut into 4 like this. If you have a Japanese frying pan for omelette, that's the easiest way. Easy to make it rectangle. But if you don't have it, put like this, like this. The shape is like span. Like this.
Yeah, so just fold it over like this to make it sort of rectangular,
Yep. So
the same size as a spam. All right, and take out the egg and set it aside. That's beautiful.
Slice into 4.
Yeah, so half a can of spam would make about 4 slices for sure.
Okay.
It's not good, I think, if it's too thick, you know? It's all about balance.
True. Shinichi is very critical for potama.
Yes, I am a potama connoisseur. Yes, I am.
Then cook on the frying pan.
And then we're gonna cook the spam until it's slightly crispy on both sides. All right, we're cooking this over medium-high heat. So I think this one is ready. This one is
Okay.
the thinnest one. So there we go.
Okay,
See?
there you go. Okay. Another one. Maybe it's okay.
Yeah, I think they're all ready to flip over. Yeah, flip over and cook it on the other side. Now, you don't have to cook it this much, guys. This might be overcooking for some of you, but some people like it crispy. It's ready. Time to flip it over. No, sorry. Time to transfer it to a plate. Sorry about
Okay.
that.
Take it out.
I love spam.
You love spam.
I love spam. You know, I grew up in Hawaii. But you know, Okinawan people also love spam.
True. Luncheon meat.
Luncheon meat. And you know, even Japanese people seem to like spam these days. So all the ingredients for the potama is ready. We have spam, we have egg omelet, we have nori, we have freshly cooked rice, we have the nikumiso, and the smashed umeboshi.
Here is nori sheet. Cut into half.
So just fold it.
Just fold it like this. And you can easily cut.
Yeah, tear it. You just
Tear.
carefully tear it. Yeah, some people use the scissors, but yeah, if you can carefully tear it,
Like this.
it will be pretty clean.
And place on this.
Yeah, like a bamboo mat.
Bamboo mat.
Ours is a plastic mat, like a fake bamboo mat.
Put a rice on your nori sheet.
Okay. Now, key is don't put too much rice.
True.
Yeah, just enough rice to cover the nori sheet. You want to cover the entire nori sheet pretty thinly. And key is to just make it even. You know, like as evenly horizontally as you can make it.
True.
So first to make it the basic one.
Yes, it's very simple. Just put this spam on the sheet, on the rice, like this, and place egg omelets. Then fold in half, like this.
That's it.
That's it. Yep.
And there you have your first potama.
Your first potama is ready. The second one is I'm using nikumiso. Put spam and egg. Take nikumiso as much as you want.
Maybe not too much.
Not too much.
Or else it's going to overflow.
True. Like this.
Yeah, that's more than enough. Yeah, that is good.
Then fold in half. This I'm very nervous.
It should be fine.
Okay, done. The second one is ready.
Okay, that is the second one.
And the last one is for ume plum, spam, omelette, and smear plum paste. Like this.
Yep. And I think this is about enough. If you put too much, it becomes too sour.
Yes, it's too sour, too salty. Then fold in half.
And that's it.
That's it. Okay. Our potama is ready. So potama, as you know, it's really easy to make.
It's very easy to make. It's very delicious. Can we eat?
Yes, let's
I
eat.
can't wait anymore. Itadakimasu. Oh, I just bit into the one with the ume. The ume has a really nice sourness, like a refreshing sourness to the whole thing.
Mine is original one, egg, and this spam is very nice combination.
I think spam and egg was made for rice and nori. That's my opinion. You will see this combo even at supermarkets all over Okinawa.
Combination store too.
At the convenience store, yeah, exactly. I wanted to have the bite of the
Okay.
homemade nikumiso.
Nikumiso.
This sweet pork miso is also very popular throughout Okinawa.
True.
Yeah, they use this as the filling for onigiri as well. Isn't that good?
The nikumiso has sweetness, spam has saltiness, and it's opposite side, so it has good balance.
It just goes really well.
Today we made very standard type of potama, but they have variation.
Yes, they do.
They sometimes put tempura, like mozuku, the seaweed tempura, or thick tofu,
Tempura goya, bitter melon.
bitter melon goya,
Yep.
and the
Thick tofu.
thick tofu.
But my favorites, I gotta say, is the original. The one with sweet miso, this pork
okay.
miso. These two are my favorites. And from the deluxe version, my favorite one is the deep fried tofu.
Oh, I see.
It's like the deep fried tofu is like that thick, and it's with the spam and the egg and bonito flakes. There's a little bit of bonito flakes on it, but it's so good. So really, sky's the limit. You can play around with it. Super easy to make. Definitely give it a try. And talking about bitter melon, we're gonna be making something with bitter melon on the next video, because bitter melon, or goya as they say in Okinawa, is a very popular vegetable. And I know some of you are saying, oh, I don't like bitter melon, but that's what I used to think until I had this dish. So stay tuned for that one.
Thank you for watching. I hope you will make today's potama.
Let us know how it turned out.
If you like this video, hit the like button and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye.